Now when we look upon the categories of questions, so there are 4 categories of questions that can be asked to any MP. First one is a starred question. Starred as in it has an asterisk mark on it. So starred question is asked to an MP and answered orally by minister in charge. So for the first point that has to be basically taken care of in starred question is that it is answered orally. Now each MP is allowed to ask only one starred question per day. When a question is answered orally, supplementary questions can be asked thereupon. So because starred question is an oral question, the supplementary questions can be asked. The second type of question that can be asked is an unstarred question. Unstarred question has to be given a written answer, and it has to be laid on the table by the concerned minister. Because it is a written answer, it cannot have any supplementary or subsequent questions. The third one is a short notice question. Short notice question is basically on any matter which is asked of it's of public importance and requires immediate action to be taken or immediate notice to be brought in the parliament. That is for which short notice question is asked. And for asking this question, a notice of less than 10 days is prescribed as a minimum period. In general cases, it is 15 days, but in here it is 10 days. And a question can be asked to any private member also, can be addressed to private member under Rule 40 of Lok Sabha Rules of Procedure and Rule 48 of Rajya Sabha Rules. But it provides that question deal with the subject matter related to some bill, resolution or other matter for which member is responsible. So member must be responsible in this case. Any member cannot be asked randomly about any issue. So these are the questions that can be asked to any MP in a parliament.